This is how to use rest angles. There's the problem. The dangling legs, your feet don't reach the floor, so you do lots of things to try to get comfortable. You slouch, you sit on the edge of your seat, which you can't use the back of the chair then. Super uncomfortable, it's hard to find a position. Using rest angles in the 4-inch platform, put it under your feet, put your feet on the edges so that they're a little bit apart, which makes your knees be a little bit apart, which is better for your lower back and your hips when you're sitting ergonomically. You can use rest angles on its 7-inch side by putting the warning label towards the floor, your feet a little bit apart again. This makes your knees be above your hips, which feels good sometimes, and you can change the position of that angle by moving it closer to you and further apart. Rest angles is really easy to pick up with your feet, move it around. In the center, there is some dynamic movement built in, some flexibility. The point is that rest angles moves with you. It is flexible and comfortable. You could pick it up with your feet, so you don't have to bend down. Folds flat, take it anywhere. Use it in 2 different wedge configurations. Again, there's that dynamic movement in there, so you can do some leg exercises and moving around, and however it feels comfortable for you. There's the second wedge position. And when you're done, you can just fold it all flat and ready to go.